Tow-in of the day, 2012 Buick Regal 2.0 turbo. Try to start it, crank no start. I'm hearing a lot of clickety-clacketing down in here, and it sounded like I could hear arc straight from the #1 coil pack. I'm starting with the compression test today, boys. Ready to crank it, Jamie? Good. That's cylinder 2. Cylinder 1, hit it, Jamie. That's cylinder 1, and that's, shoot. That's almost 100 PSI lower. Let's check 3 and 4 for funsies. So we're good on 2, 3, and 4. #1, no bueno. Let's see how much oil she's got. Well, the oil is overfilled. It's up to here, and it looks nasty. We're hearing a nice little clack somewhere in this area. Go ahead and start it, Jamie. Not sure exactly where it's coming from. It could be deeper, but it sounds like it's somewhere in here. During the timing or that, right? That's what it sounds like. Let's put the stuff on. The clack is still loud with the coil packs unplugged, so it's not like an arc or anything. But right here, let me give you a better shot. Right here is where it sounds the loudest. All right, guys, let's start taking bets. What's wrong with her? Let me know.